The upcoming episode of Rimjim is all set to deliver an emotional roller coaster filled with family politics, shocking confrontations, and a powerful display of love and loyalty. The latest promo hints at a dramatic turning point where Rimjim makes a bold decision that could change everything. For the first time, she openly stands against Prithvi Chacha Sa to protect her husband, Samir. But will this decision strengthen their relationship, or will it create an even bigger storm inside the family? Let's find out. The episode begins with the family making grand preparations for the sacred Mahayagya. Every corner of the house is beautifully decorated, and the atmosphere is filled with devotion and excitement. Everyone believes that this holy ritual will bring blessings, prosperity, and happiness to the family. Relatives gather together, rituals are arranged, and everyone eagerly waits for the ceremony to begin. At first, everything appears peaceful. The family members are busy with the preparations, and it seems like the Mahayagya will unite everyone. However, beneath this calm atmosphere, hidden tensions are waiting to explode. As the priest begins calling the family members to take their places, Rimjim is invited to sit for the sacred ritual. She quietly walks forward, believing that the ceremony will finally begin without any problems. But just when Samir steps forward to join her, the atmosphere changes instantly. Prithvi Chacha Sa suddenly interrupts the ceremony. With a stern expression, he announces that Samir cannot participate in the Mahayagya. His unexpected decision leaves everyone stunned. The entire family falls silent, unable to believe what they have just heard. Samir stands quietly, trying to control his emotions. Although his heart is deeply hurt, he refuses to react in anger. He understands that arguing during a sacred ceremony will only make the situation worse. His silence reflects both his patience and his respect for the family. Rimjim watches every moment unfold before her eyes. She notices the disappointment on Samir's face and realizes that once again he is being humiliated in front of everyone. This painful sight shakes her emotionally. For a few moments, she remains silent, hoping someone in the family will speak up for Samir. But no one says a single word. Everyone lowers their eyes, unwilling to question Prithvi Chacha Sa's authority. That silence becomes the turning point. Rimjim gathers all her courage and steps forward. Looking directly at Prithvi Chacha Sa, she respectfully but firmly says that Samir deserves the same respect as every other member of the family. She refuses to accept that her husband should be treated like an outsider. Her words echo through the entire house. No one expected Rimjim to challenge Prithvi Chacha Sa so openly. The family members exchange shocked glances, while Samir himself is surprised by her fearless stand. For the first time, Rimjim is no longer hiding her feelings. She is ready to fight for her husband's dignity, no matter what the consequences may be. Prithvi Chacha Sa is furious. Instead of softening his stance, he becomes even more determined to test Samir. He announces a harsh condition, declaring that Samir must first prove his worth before earning the right to participate in the sacred ritual. The shocking challenge leaves everyone speechless. Some family members quietly agree with Prithvi Chacha Sa, believing that traditions must be respected. Others secretly feel that Samir is being treated unfairly, but fear prevents them from speaking out. All eyes turn toward Samir. Will he reject the challenge? Will he lose his temper? Or will he quietly walk away? To everyone's surprise, Samir calmly accepts the challenge without raising his voice. His composed response shocks the entire family. Instead of responding with anger, he chooses patience and determination. His decision proves that he values his self-respect more than his pride. Rimjim becomes emotional after hearing Sameer's answer. She realizes that despite every insult and every obstacle, Sameer has never stopped fighting for his place in the family. His quiet strength fills her heart with admiration. Unable to bear another moment of injustice, Rimjim openly declares that she will always stand beside her husband. She makes it clear that no challenge, no family pressure, and no humiliation can separate them. This powerful moment transforms their relationship forever. The family now stands divided. Some members begin to admire Rimjim's courage and Sameer's patience. Others believe Rimjim has crossed a line by opposing Prithvi Chachasa. The house becomes filled with tension, and every relationship is put to the test. Meanwhile, Prithvi Chachasa remains firm in his decision. But deep inside, is he truly trying to stop Sameer? Or is he testing whether Sameer possesses the patience, honesty, and determination needed to become a respected member of the family? His true intentions remain a mystery. As the story moves forward, viewers can expect emotional confrontations, unexpected betrayals, and surprising alliances. Every episode promises new twists that will keep fans eagerly waiting to discover what happens next. Will Sameer succeed in proving himself? Will Rimjim's fearless support finally change the family's opinion? Will Prithvi Chachasa eventually accept Sameer, or will this conflict become even more dangerous? The answers to these questions will unfold in the upcoming episodes, making this one of the most emotional and exciting storylines in Rimjim so far. What do you think about Rimjim's brave decision? Was she right to stand against Prithvi Chachasa for her husband's dignity? Do you believe Sameer will overcome every challenge and finally earn the family's respect? Share your predictions in the comments below. We'd love to hear your thoughts. If you enjoyed this update, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss the latest updates, spoilers, and reviews of Rimjim. Thank you so much for watching. Stay safe, keep smiling, and we'll see you in the next exciting update with more drama, more twists,